find ourselves in that beautiful forest. We're gonna cook, we're gonna camp, and we're gonna share so much good things to all of you, for all of you guys. On the track, sometimes this could save you. We don't do much, damage to the tree.
You do, boy. Watch your steps, go forward.
All right. We're on our way, guys. What's up, everyone? We gotta go in that direction. This direction is straight ahead, right, Noah? My people. And then we're gonna make a right at the end. And we will find ourselves in that beautiful forest. We're gonna cook, we're gonna camp, and we're gonna share so much good things to all of you, for all of you guys. So don't go away, please. Stay tuned. There are beautiful shots ahead and the universe had for all of us. All right, folks? See you there.
Rock and roll, guys. Let's go.
Rock and roll.
Come on, mama. Bye-bye.
Let's go, Cookie. Let's go.
before, understood? Wait for me, okay? Alright, get the backpack here. It's gonna be easier for me, alright? Dude, hey, pay attention. Look here. Check me out. Check. Yuki, what you doing? Wait for me.
A few minutes later.
You know, I think we find a good spot here. I mean, myself. I say myself because I left Noah and Paula in the back. And, you know, to camp. So let's see. Let me get him, you know. Are you guys okay, Noah? You okay? I found a nice spot. It's awesome. Right.
Cookie jump right here.
She's climbing like what? Like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Cookie, be careful. You're going to fall off. Cookie.
You're gonna die.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, Cookie. Cookie's a monkey dog, right?
Yeah.
I think we could climb it that way. It's easier, you know? Climbing up, Noah. You can do it, boy. Watch your steps. Go forward. Watch your step. Go forward. Go ahead, Noah. Go by Cookie first. Hold the rock. Hold the rock. Safe. Yeah, I got you. Walk.
Oh, right.
Safe. Stay there. Stay there. Yes, you can clean it up. Climb it. Clean it up. Oi. Hello, Qué loco. Woo. That was a long fall. You could put your hands there.
Folks, this is so delicious. Oh, Daddy, we're gonna get more stronger.
For sure.
Valió la pena
Daddy,
venir
Mama,
aquí y cocinar. Wow.
Mama, what is this?
Boy, I have one there.
Tienes que comer esto, ¿viste?
I will.
Come on.
Here, hold the bread. Good job, Daddy. Yum.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
How that taste, buddy?
Good.
You
Quiet.
sure?
Mhm.
That was a bird. Como está, galera? Como está, gente? Todo mundo? Bem-vindo ao meu canal, Henrique Morris aqui, eu falando para todo mundo em português. Eu acho que comunica um pouquinho bom para todo mundo, tá bom, irmão? Pessoal, para todo mundo, forte abraço e muito amor para todo mundo. Galera, eu estou aqui with my family, right? And I'm very welcome with Noah this adventure. You saw that crazy intro, and for you, my friend Latina for Life, telling you that yes, it's not easy to come with the family over the bike and ride all those kilometers to deliver those beautiful shots for all of you guys. As you saw, we had those grilling, you know, chicken breast, you know, and etc. We are not chef, but we try to do our best, you know, for all of you, you know, to show you that you can come here in the forest and spend a quality, unique time with the mother nature, folks. All right, now I'm going to dive deep into the forest to see what I can catch for all of you. All right, folks. Apparently looks full of wildlife, you know, folks. So stay tuned. Don't go away. This is going to be beautiful, all right? I will try my best to pull all together for you. Right, see ya.
See you next time.
See you, baby. See you, Muffin. Bye. I am so happy because listen, for me, I'm feeling like a hunter, you know, animal, but with the eyes of the camera and the drone. I hope you like all the shot, the beautiful footage I made for all of you, you know, the barbecue, the adventure, all the beautiful review of this place, and the awesome squirrel I catch with the lente. I can't believe it, I catch a squirrel. I mean, I've been catching animals and stuff with the lente, but this is, for me, it's the first time here in Brazil, right, folks? If you are new or watching this channel, subscribe because it's packed of wildlife, nature, adventures, and not only here in Brazil and all the countries. Falou, galera, and don't forget to...
Gente, vamos apreciar esse lugar lindo, vamos desfrutar da natureza, não jogue lixo. Se vem nesse ambiente aqui, vamos desfrutar, vamos deixar a pegada, mas não joga lixo no lugar. Vamos recolher tudo, indo embora com as nossas lixas, tá bom?
Falou, galera, aí, pouquinho aí português com a colega aqui, Paula.
Eu tô tentando o meu melhor também.
Eu não sei palavra Gigi.
Ok, mas você fala que não sabe, mas você tá falando português.
Silêncio!
Ok, em português. So, guys, we send you one whole universe of good energy, big hug, right, guys? And love for all of you, right?
Happy birthday!
Let me know in the comment what do you think. Subscribe if you're new or not.
stay here with me, guys, because every single video I will try my best for all of you. All right, folks. Full love. Ciao, ciao. Love you. Ciao.